Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, students, I hope you are able to hear me, right? Can anybody let me know? Am I audible or not? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, fine. So, what about the lighting? Is it okay? Are you able to see me clearly? Now, see. Thank you, Yadath. So now, today this session is regarding statistics. Okay. So, what are the things we have studied in statistics in school? So, we have studied about histograms, and we have also studied about how to draw frequency polygons. Is it right? So, we have studied histograms and how to, histograms and frequency polygons. So now here in examination you are asked only about histograms and frequency polygons. In frequency polygons you have in histograms. Okay, let me talk about histograms first. In histograms, when do you use histograms? Whenever you have a frequency distribution table where the class is not about groups. Whenever you have variable quantity on as classes, so there we are going to use histograms. Is it right? Sorry, variables. Whenever variables we used bar graphs. Now, when will you use histograms? We use histograms. Sorry, it's a mistake. So we use histograms when we have continuous frequency distribution table. When we have the data continuous, then we are going to use histograms, right? So I'm not going to discuss about bar graphs over here, and also I'm going to start with histograms. So let us see how to analyze or how to read. First, see, in order to, there are two things in histograms. First, reading of the graphs and representing the given data as histograms. There are two things in histograms. Okay, so questions will be asked. That means you will be given a histogram, and also you will be asked to get the values or get the answers from the by reading the graph. Okay, and now by analyzing the graph. And one more, you have to draw a histogram by yourself. So let us go to how to draw histograms, because once you are able to draw histograms, you will be able to read the given histogram also. So in histograms, what do you have? Either they will give you group data, or they will give you a raw data and ask you to make groups, classes into groups. Okay, for example, for a situation, so there are marks and number of students. There are marks and a number of students. So let us say I'm using the example from textbook, page number 251. Okay, 0 to 20, it's 7, and 20 to 30, it is 10, and 30 to 40, let us say 15, and 40 to 50, let us say it is 8. So we have taken an exam for 50 marks. Okay, the teacher wants to represent the following data as histogram. The teacher wants to represent this data as histograms. Okay, so the first thing, whenever you get a data, whenever you get a data, just check. Whenever he asks us to represent it in histograms, the first thing we have to check is whether they are groups or not. So first thing what to check, whether the given data is grouped or not. If it is grouped, the next thing what you have to check, you have to check whether it is continuous or not. For histogram, you have to check whether the given data is grouped or not and whether it is continuous or not. You can draw histogram only for the continuous data. So what is continuous data? The upper limit of the previous class should be equal to the lower limit of the successive class. Understood? If it is not, we want to add, yeah, I will come back when it is not. I'll explain you what to do with that. Okay, so now 0 to 20 is 7, 20 to 30 is 10, and 30 to 40 is 15, and 40 to 50 is 8. Okay, now let us draw a histogram. So yes, first, you have x-axis and y-axis. I hope it's you're able to see it, right? So you will be given graph sheet. Okay. If it is not graph sheet, also for histograms you can draw in normal answer sheet, but we will give you a graph sheet. So please draw it carefully. So the origin, wherever you have, wherever x-axis and y-axis meets, it's called as an origin. Okay, now check the data, whether the data is 0 to 20, right? So 0 from every boxes. Let us see the data first. When you say group data and continuous data, check the class size also. So what is the class size here? 0 to 20 marks. That means what is the size of the class? My dear students, I could see that some students are giving reactions. Please stop that. I don't want reactions. I want everybody to listen my class carefully. Please, I don't want any reactions. Okay? If you have doubts, you can message me. Please, do not waste time in doing that. Now, so 0 to 20. What is the class size here? What is the class size? The class size is, how many marks are here? From 0 to 20. You have 20 marks, right? So that means the class size is 20. No need to write it. For explanation purpose, I am writing. And what is the class size? 20 to 30. What is the class size, my dear students? Please answer me. I'll be very happy to see your answers. Very good. So, yes, it is 10. And 30 to 40, it's 10. And 40 to 50, also it is 10. Understood? So, you have to check whether what are the three things you have to check? Whether it's fine, my dear friends. Stop. Thank you. So first, whenever they give you a data to answer to draw histograms, what you are supposed to check, whether it is grouped or not, and whether it is continuous, and you have to check what is the class size. The class size is 20, 10, 10, 10. So take the minimum one, which is smaller, 20 or 10. 10 is smaller. So let us take, you have boxes, right? You would have seen the graph sheet. We have already seen. So each box, let us take it as 10 marks. So, and the next one, 20. Next, 30. And this is 40 and 50. So once we have taken here, immediately please do one thing. You write the scale. You write the scale of the data. Scale of the graph. So scale, it is very, very important. So what is the scale on x-axis? The scale on x-axis is 1 unit is equal to how much you have taken? 10. So you write it, 1 unit equals, what is this 10? It is marks. So you have to take 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. Is it clear? This is very, very important. You will get, if you don't write, half marks will be deducted. Okay. So please don't forget. First, don't go to draw the graph directly. First you take scale. Understood? You do it slowly. You will be having ample time because it may consist of, I don't remember, 3, 4 or 5 marks. So very, very important, my dear students. And the way we are doing, the same way we have to read the graph. Understood? So first, here we have seen 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. Now let us come back to y-axis. So y-axis, what is the data? Frequency 7, 10, 15, 8. So you have 7, 10, 15, 8. The highest one is 15. So how many boxes you have? Let us say I have only graph till here. So 1, 2, 3. So I have only three boxes. So what should I do? What is the highest data? 15. So let us divide the data into 5. 15, 3. Okay, because you have three boxes, 3 units. So let us divide. 1 unit is equal to 5, 10, 15. But here I am doing it by 5. But students, please, you will be given a bigger graph sheet. Please take 1 unit as either 2 or you take 10. It will be very easy to point out. Understood? Either you take 2 or 10. I hope you understood, right? So now here, because we should have we should understand this also. So I have given 5, 10, and 15. So I will explain you 5, 10, and 15, and also with 20. Okay, sorry, 10. Wait, 5, 10, 15. Now what is the first one? Acha, sorry, one more thing. The last thing, on x-axis, what did you draw? Marks. So you have to write here marks also. Okay, whenever you read graph, the same thing will be asked to you. Here, what is this? What does x-axis represent? So x-axis represent marks. Okay, and now what does y-axis represent? Y-axis represent students. If you have place, you write it horizontally or you write vertically. Okay, it is number of students. Good. Yes, good, my dear Rohan. So now 0 to 20. Here from where does the 0 to 20? This is 0 to 20. Okay, 0 to 20. How much it is? 7. So in one box, how box is divided into how many parts? One box in a graph sheet is divided into how many parts? One box, one unit. One unit on the graph sheet, it is divided into 10 parts. Okay, so 10 you have divided into 5. So that means each part is how much? Each subunit is how much? 2. Is it right? Each subunit is equal to 2. So there will be actually 10 divisions. That 10 divisions you have made into 5. That means 2 divisions consists of 1. So now one student. So let us say 0 to 20. What is the frequency? It is 7. So till 5 it is there. And take two divisions so that it will become 1, 6. And next two divisions, it will be 7. So it will be somewhere over here. So draw a line. Use scale. Please do not forget scale on the day, because whenever you come for examination, you have to carry your stationery. Okay, scale, pencil. It's very important. So now draw a line to 0 to 20. Understood? This is the bar for 0 class 0 to 20. Understood? This represents 7. Now, either you can write it here also, you can write it. Okay, it looks good. Now, what is the next one? 20 to 30. What is the frequency? 10 students. So 20 is here. Since it is continuous, you will get a histogram. That is the reason we have to check whether it is continuous or not. Okay, now 22 to 30, it is 20 to 30. What is the scale? What is the size of the class? Only 10. So we will be taking only 10. Understood? 20 to 30. What is the frequency? 10 is the frequency. Now 30 to 40, it is 15. So you know everything, you know. So 30, you take scale and draw a line, or and you take a scale and put a point, so that there is no confusion. And 40 also, you draw a line and join it. Okay, this is 15. Now, what is the next one? 40 to 50, it is 8. 8 means what? So each subunit consists of two subunits consists of one student. So after 5, you have to get 3. You have to get 8. That means for 8 subdivisions. So come on, take it. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. So it comes like this. Understood? This is how you have to draw a histogram. Halas. Only you will get either 3 or 4. I don't remember actually. So if you, it will histogram, I strongly say it may consist of 3 marks. Okay. So if you draw this much, it's enough. Very easy. First, you have to check whether whether the data is grouped or not, and after that, check whether it is continuous or not. So 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40. It should be continuous. And after that, check the class size so that it will be easy for you to draw. So once you finalize the class size and take it, okay, name for x-axis and also scale. Here scale for y-axis, what did you write? What you have taken? 1 unit is equal to 1 unit is equal to how much, my dear students? 1 unit is equal to y-axis. Yes, 5 students. Very good. So 1 unit is equal to, do not write 5. You have to write 5 students. This is important. You have to write 5 students. Okay. So 1 unit is equal to 5 students. That's good. Good, good, good. Now, yes, they will give you the table. For this year, you will be given table. Okay. You will not be given raw data and ask you to find out classes. Okay, so that's why I explained directly how to draw histogram from a table. Got it? Now, so the next doubt, yes, if it is not continuous, let us say it is 21 and 31, and here also you have 41. Okay, now it is grouped but not continuous. Is it right? So then what we are supposed to do, check the lower limit of the previous class and the upper limit of the next class. So what is the difference between these two? 21 minus 20 is how much? 21 minus 20 is 21 minus 20 is 1. So the difference is 21 minus 20 is 1. Now divide that 1 with 2, because you have to distribute it to both the lower limit and upper limit. So when we divide it by 2, it is 0.5. So now to the upper limit you add 0.5, and to the lower limit you subtract 0.5. So here also when I subtract, here also it will be 30.5, here it will be 40.5, and this will be 30.5, 40.5, 50.5. So now check whether it had become continuous or not. Okay, yes, it has become continuous. Now one more, if you have any doubt, for example, instead of 21, if they give you 22, and here it is 32, and here it is 42, and 30 and 40, then what you do? The same process is the same. Find out the difference between the upper limit and lower limit. 22 minus 20, that is equal to 22 minus 20 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 it is 2 divided by 2 it is 1, Understood? So add 1 to the upper limit and subtract 1 to the lower limit. When we add 1 to the upper limit, what happens? It becomes 21. And here 22 minus 1, this becomes 21. So now did it become continuous? Yes, this is the way how you draw the histogram. Got it? Now write the data and do it. Try to do it roughly. Until then, I'll fix my board, okay? I'll not take more than 1 minute. Please write the data and do it. Or copy it. Hey, can you collaborate? छोड़ 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 नहीं बोर्ड गिर यार नहीं it's fine it's fine so this is how you do histogram. Any doubts how to draw it? Yes, Ashrat, what is that? They will give this type of table in the question. That's what I said. Yes, you will be given the table. You will be given the table. Okay. They will give you table. Now, as I said, once you have drawn the graph, then you can analyze the given histogram also. So how to analyze the given histogram? For example, they'll give you this. Okay. Now they will give you this. They will ask you by giving this graph. They can ask you what does x-axis represent? What does x-axis represent? Can anybody tell me in this graph? Marks. Gurjot, good. So x-axis represent marks. Good. What does y-axis represent? Y-axis. Yes, y-axis, it is students. Good. Students. Now tell me what is the scale of y-axis? What is the scale of y-axis? What is the scale? No, wrong answers, wrong answers, wrong answer. Yes, Muhajjab, correct answer. 5 students. 5 students, not 5. What is the scale? This is very good. Samir, I don't know your name. Who is this? 1 unit is equal to 5 students is the perfect answer. Okay. Now, good. Now listen to the question. What is the scale of x-axis? Rishan, good. Rishan, very good. What is the scale of x-axis? Perfect answer is Rohan. 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. Good. 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. That is good. So now, yes, good. Now listen, my dear students. Which is the how many students? Most number of students got how many marks? Most number of students. No, most number of students. I asked you, Ashret. Most number of students got how many marks? Ashret, 15. You got, what is the scale? 30 to 40. Everybody listen. Wait, please. Yeah, I asked you, beta, wait, listen. Muhammad Ayan, wait. 7 marks is the wrong answer. I asked you, most number of students got how many marks? Yeah, most number of students. What is the highest number of students? Most number of students. 15. 15 students got marks in between 30 and 40. I asked you marks, and marks are represented on x-axis. So the answer will be x-axis, 30 to 40. Understood? So 30 to 40. Now, very important question I am going to ask. Wait. Ashrit, wait, beta. So, how many students got more than 30? How many students got more than 30? Very important question. Frozen Warrior, check your answer. Ashret, check your answer. Others, good, good, good. Good. Adel, check your answer. See, now I will explain you. Sahil, also check your answer. See, my question is how many, listen everybody now. Now listen. Wait. How many students got more than 30 marks? Here, when I asked you more than 30, where is 30? 30 is here. More than 30 means this much. 15 plus 8. That is equal to 23 students. Now, is the concept clear? More than 30. 40 is also more than 30. 50 is also more than 30. Ashrit, understood बेटे? सी व्हेन जब हम 30 से ज्यादा पूछे तो 40 भी ज्यादा है, 50 भी ज्यादा है. ओके, नापद इज ऑल्सो ग्रेटर देन 30 एंड 50 is also greater than 30. Good. Everybody understood? Yes. Now, shall I ask you one more question? Now, wait. So, how many students got, beta, wait. How many students got less than 40? Less than 40? Mohammad Abdul, wrong answer. Asia Mahroof, wrong answer. Ayan, wrong answer. Mohammad Ayan, wrong answer. निकल गया था, नहीं होन दो क्लास में बेटे. Less than 40. So the same concept, beta. Now listen. So since it will be given in the text, given in the question paper, you can draw where is 40. This is 40, and less means you have to move to left hand side. What are all? 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 7, 32. So 32 students. Is it clear? Everybody now understood? Good. Frozen, now also you are telling 25 students. How? Still you have doubt. Who is that Frozen Warrior? Yes, good. So everybody understood? Now can you analyze the given histogram? Huzaifa, understood Huzaifa? Good. Shall I go to frequency polygon now? See, if you are serious and if you do my worksheet which I have given, I can easily tell you that you will cross, you will do quadrilaterals, you have done 100%. Now statistics also you will get 100%. Understood? So now let us go to frequency polygon. So after going to frequency polygon, I will discuss about your worksheet which I have given. Okay. So for frequency polygon also it's very simple. The same like histogram. Okay. So what you are supposed to check? You are supposed to check whether the data is grouped, or not. And the next one, it should be continuous. The data should be continuous, and also the class size should be equal. the class size should be equal. This is very, very important. In histogram, just now we have seen that the first class is 20 and all the other classes are 10, 10, 10. So we did not bother. Understood? Huh. There is a concept of making the classes also class sizes are equal. There is a concept, okay, but that concept is no is deleted for you for this examination. It is exempted, and the same concept will be taught in grade 10. Understood? So therefore you will be given only equal groups, equal class sizes. You will be given equal class. Listen better. Listen. Whenever understood, if I say, do no need to type yes or no. Okay, please listen what I am telling. What I was telling. Yes, I was telling about yeah. Give me 1 minute. What did I tell? I forgot. So, anyways, yeah, class size equal. So it is class size is equal. This year you will be given only for frequency polygon. Okay, for frequency polygon you will be given classes with equal sizes. There is the concept of making it into equal sizes, but this year it will not be given. It is exempted for you. Okay, so let us see how to do. So these three things you have to check before drawing the frequency polygon, whether it is group data, whether it is continuous data, and whether the class size is equal or not. Okay, here you have to check. After that, what you should know in order to draw the frequency polygon. Let me clear you. So there is a concept called as class mark, or the same thing can be called as mid class. The thing same thing will be mid class mark. You should know how to get the class mark. Okay, for example, let me take the same. It is marks and number of students. Number of students. Okay, so let us take the data from 0 to 10. Okay, I will take another data also. Please listen carefully. This is very, very important. And 20 to 30. After that, 30 to 40. And next it is 40 to 50. Now, 0 to 10, let us take it as 5, 10, 4, 6, and 7. Okay. Whatever it is. Got it? Understood the data? Now, check whether it is grouped or not. Is it grouped? Yes, sir, it is grouped. 0 to 10, 10 to 20. When you have upper limit and lower limit and upper limit, it is grouped. Okay, check whether it is grouped or not. Yes, sir, it is grouped. Good. And whether it is continuous or not. How to check continuous? Please, I need answers. How to check? How to check continuous? No, Faisal, sorry. How to check whether it is continuous or not? Very good. Very good, Frozen Warrior. Upper limit is equal to lower limit. Upper limit of the previous class should be equal to the lower limit of the next class. That's very good. So you have 10 and 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40. It is continuous. Very good. Now, what is the class size? How will you check class size, my dear students? Hey, Christo, very good here. Happy to see you. Mohammed Ayan, if the next line is lower class is same as the not lower limit, Papa. Instead of next line, you write if the next class, successive class, lower limit is same as the upper limit of the previous class. Okay. Now listen. What I was telling you, Christo, I was carried away by you. I was thinking of something else. Yeah. Class size. How will you find class size? Sir, in exam, non-continuous will come. My dear Faisal Baba, I already told you. Anyway, whether it comes or not, you know the concept, right? You know the concept. Is it right, Faisal? I need answer from you. How to make it continuous? Do you then when why are you worrying about it? Good, Krista. Upper limit plus lower limit by 2. That's good. Now, yeah, I was talking about class size. So what is class size? How will you check class size? Upper limit minus lower limit. How will you check class size? Class size upper limit minus lower limit. 10 minus 0, 10. 20 minus 10, 10. 30 minus 20, 10. 40 minus 30, 10. 50 minus 40, 10. So here the class size should be equal. Very, very, very important. See, this one is very important. All are important, but is the class mark the same as class as yes, Vivek, I'll come to that. I'll come to that, Vivek. Yes, but anyway, the answer is yes. So mid class, I told you, right, mid class. So now everything is done. Take group, take continuous, take class size equal, take class class mark. Now whenever they give you data, now listen, my dear students, no need to answer me. No need to answer me. Wait. So now whenever they give you data, you have to draw another column. Okay, it is class mark. It is class mark. Class mark is nothing but it is mid class. How will you find it? 0 plus 10 divided by 2. What is 0 plus 10 divided by 2? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 5. Very good. And what is 10 plus 2? 20, 30. 30 divided by 2. 15. Everybody understood? Wait, students, 1 minute, my dear friends. Mere Jaan, Frozen Warrior, wait. So, everybody understood how to find out the class mark. If anybody have doubt, let me know. Only the one who is having doubt, please type. Others, no need. Others, no need. No need with a. Okay, so nobody is having doubt. So let me go. Let me continue. So when you don't have, let me tell you, let me tell you a magic point. When the class size is equal to 10, 10, first to find out class mark 5. Add 10 to it, 15. Add 10 to it, 25. Add 10 to it, 35. Then 45. Is it clear? Shall I go to the next one? So class mark is very important. Class mark is very, very important, my dear students. In order to draw frequency polygon, please do not get confused. Only class mark is needed for frequency polygon. For frequency polygon. Okay, now listen, my dear students. Everyone, please listen. Yeah. Okay, I have taken x-axis and y-axis, and the origin will start with 0. It is O is origin, and also it contains the coordinate of axis of x as 0 and y as 0. So on x-axis also it is 0, and y-axis also it starts with 0. Okay. Now, so what is the see, everywhere class size is same. So take the class size as your as 1 unit, as the scale of the x-axis. So the first one 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. For frequency polygon, everyone please listen. Please listen, this is very important. Yeah, 10, 20, 30, 40, everybody knows. KG student also will write. Okay, please wait and listen. For frequency polygon, you have to subtract, you have to go beyond this 0 also. Whatever is the lower limit of the first class. What is the lower limit of first class? 0. So subtract the class size. What is the class size? 10. So 0 minus 10, it is minus 10. Okay, and the last one also. Here, what is it? 50. 50 plus 1, 60. This is very, very, very important in frequency polygon. Everybody understood? I hope everybody understood. If you have any doubt, let me know. Not 51, Christo. Not 51. 50 plus 10. 50 plus 10. What is the class size? 10. So it is 50 plus 10. Okay, it will be 60. This is these two things are very important. Okay. Now let us see on the y-axis. Let us come to y-axis. So you have to write what? That is what without name A. That is what I am explaining. Wait. Acha, okay, what you are asking? See, whatever is the lower limit of the first class, subtract class size from it. 0 minus 10, it is minus 10. So y-axis you write it. And also, I'll explain you, Ashrit, why should we take plus 10? Why should we take plus 10? I will explain you, my dear friend. Okay. So, Christo, yes, I did not forget it. I was asking another thing actually. I meant other thing. So what is the next thing we have to do after writing the x-axis? Can anybody? Scale. Very good, Ayan. You have to write scale. So what is the scale of x-axis? What is the scale of x-axis? 10. Arey yaar, Ayan, the same mistake. 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. Very good, Sriram. 1 unit is equal to 10 marks. Very good. Please write like this. Do not make shortcuts, Christo. When even in answering in YouTube, you write 1 unit is equal to 10 marks, so that tomorrow in examination you will never forget it. Now, so let us come back to y-axis. So y-axis, what is the frequency? 5, 10, 4, 6, 7. So what is the easiest way? How many boxes you can have? How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4. I will take it as, I'll take it 5. Because I told you, I'll explain you 2 units, right? So what is the maximum? 10. So it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Is it clear? And what is the what you have to what should you name name y-axis? What should you name number of students? Number of students. Okay, good. So it is number of students. Now let us see students. Now wait, because it is important. And one more scale y-axis. 1 unit is equal to 2 students. 1 unit is equal to 2 students. Okay, good. Now everybody listen. This is the most important part of frequency polygon. Wait, beta. Adil, good boy. Wait, listen everybody. In order to draw frequency polygon, draw frequency polygon, we will not use classes. We will use class mark. Understood? Class mark will be on x-axis, because for class mark we have taken from the classes. So where is 5? In between 0 and 10. So it will be here. Understood? 0 to 10. Now there is 5. Okay. So 5, how many students are there? 5 students. So it is 2, 4, and 5 is in between 4 and 6. 5. There is a small line over here. Okay, which is not so darker like the bigger box. So therefore it is 5 over here. So 5 and 5, take a point. Is it clear? Actually, if you draw with pencil, it will come like this. Okay, but you are not supposed to draw bars you have to check where is this 5 and 5. What is the next one? I'll explain the next one, then you will understand. 15. Where is 15 on x-axis? It is in between 10 and 20. So 15 is here. Let us say, and how many number? How many? Yeah. Okay. For this lesson, after this, I'll change it. So for 15, how many number of students? Number of students are 10. So 15, just go directly. Where is 10? So it is 10 is over here. That means it is 15. And draw a line with scale, you will understand. Draw a line with scale here, and you can rub later on. So 15, it is 10. And what is 25? 25, it is 4. So where is 25? In between 20 and 30. 4 is somewhere over here. And 35, it is in between 30 and 40. How many students? 35, it is 6 students. So 35, you'll take 6 students, it's somewhere over here. After that, 45, it is 7. So 45 is in between 40 and 50. 7 is in between 60 and 80. It is somewhere over, let me take it over here. Okay, these are the points. Now, what you are supposed to do? You have to join these points with scale. Okay, not with freehand. So join with scale. Now you have drawn line graph. Okay. Now what you are supposed to do? We have taken 0 to minus 10, right? What is the class mark of it? Minus 5. So now drop it to directly to minus 5. Drop it to minus 5. And after that, what did you take? What you have taken here? 50 and 60. So the midpoint, the class mark is 55. Now close the polygon by joining the last the last data to the 55. Okay. Now did it form a polygon? Polygon means what? A closed figure with straight lines. A closed figure with straight lines. Understood, my dear students? This is how you have to draw frequency polygon. Got it, everybody? Everybody understood? Any doubts? So this is how we draw frequency polygon. Good? Yeah, number between minus 10 and 0 like others. Yes, Rishan. Sir, should we write the class mark on the x-axis in x marks on the x-axis in graph? Class mark. No need to write. If you want, if you write also, it's not a problem. Bede Frozen Warrior, if you have doubt, please. And come on. If you talk about other things, I will end the stream and I will change the settings. So you have to listen only. Beta, can you ask my phone? So everybody understood? Everybody understood histogram and frequency polygon? Okay. If you don't have doubt, I will leave this board. My hand is paining. Okay. I'll leave this board. Okay. I have doubt. Adil Noor, yes. What is your doubt? Adil Noor. Okay. So yes. So I'll drop this. It's paining. My hand is paining. Now, can anybody open your worksheet? There are, I think, some bits. Leave. Uh, to whom I have sent that worksheet? Give me 1 second. Let me open that worksheet, my dear students. Uh, Circle statistics final worksheet. Yes. Mhm. It's very easy. The only thing is, until and unless you practice, you will not get it. Now, what the first question is, what is the class mark? Yeah, I have sent my dear friend in the group. What is the class mark for the class interval 20 to 30? Yeah, 20 to 30. What is the class mark, my dear students? Yeah, statistics. Very good. How to find out class mark? 20 plus 30 divided by 2. 50. Sir, should we like put the distance in the given graph? Sorry, I did not get you. What is the distance when drawing the rectangle? मेरे प्यारे लाल, in histogram will be there any gap between the bars? No, because since it is continuous data, there will not be any gap between the rectangles, between the bars. Okay, fine. What is the class mark of the class interval 20 to 30? 20 plus 30 divided by 2, 25, right? If the lower limit of a class is 15, listen carefully. If the lower limit of the class is 15 and the class is 10, class size is 10, and the class size is 10, lower limit is 15 and the class size is 10. So what will be the upper limit? Lower limit plus class size is equal to upper limit, right? So it will be 25. Very good. Now, wait, my dear students. The difference between upper limit and lower limits, the distance between upper limit and lower limit is called as, please answer, please. Very good, Ayan. Class size. Very good. Sabhi, very good, very good. Only two answers. What about others? Adil, good. Very good. Not supposed to be here, yeah, but you are here. Which of the following is true for a histogram? Now everybody listen. The options. If you have worksheet, that's good. If you do not have, then please listen. Which is true for the histogram? Which is true for the histogram? Bars have equal gaps. Bars can have varying widths. It is used for ungrouped data. None of the above. Sabhi, Tingda. Think. What is the first option? Bars have equal gaps. It cannot be, gaps cannot be there. Okay, because they are continuous. And it is used for ungrouped data. Is it used for ungrouped data, my dear friends? Ungrouped data, it is used what? What is used for ungrouped data? Okay. Answers I leave. What is used for ungrouped data? What is bar graph? Very good, Christo. Bar graph. Bar graph is used for ungrouped data. So C is not the option. What is the B? Bars can have varying width. Bars can have varying width. Just now we have seen the example. The first class was this was 20 and the next was 10, 10, 10. So it can have varying width. Which one? Histogram. Understood? In a grouped frequency table, data is arranged in random order, discrete values, class intervals, no order. Frequency distribution table, the data is arranged, is it randomly? No. Discrete values, discrete means different values. No, they are arranged in class intervals. They are arranged in class intervals like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, so on. Okay, good. Now, okay, sixth question. Without doing anything, you can tell me. Given the class intervals, you have to find out class mark. 10 to 20, what is the class mark? 10 to 20, what is the class mark? Very good, Frozen. 10 to, no, who is that? Who 10? Mohammad Zayan. 10 to 20, it is 15. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Understood? Zayan, Mohammad Zayan, understood? I want answer from Zayan. Federation. Others will get confused. Frozen. I have not asked the question, so you will lose marks. Okay. Yes, good. Now, 22 to 30. 20 to 30. 20 plus 30. 50. 50 divided by 225. Very good, my dear friends. Ajit Nair, very good. Arvind Shankar, good. 30 to 40. 30 to 40. Yes, Rage Arts, it is not 3, it is 35. Okay, wait. Now, if you have, if the frequency, wait, my dear students. Muhammad Abdul, there is no 40 to 50 here. From where did you get 45? I was asking question from the worksheet which I have given. Now, see, I'll read the frequency. You have to draw a histogram. Please listen carefully. 50, 80, 150, 120, 70. 50. Alhamdulillah, please wait, beta. You can ask me questions. In the last 1 minute, I'll give you someone. Please wait. The frequency, everybody please listen. See, if you do unnecessary charts, everybody will get disturbed. The class was serious and everybody was learning. So please do not waste time. The frequency was, the frequency was 50, 80, 150, 120, 70. 50, 80, 150, 120 and 70. Okay, if you have the frequency, what will be the scale on the y-axis? I'll read, if you can write it down on a paper. The frequency is 50, 80, 150, 120 and 170. 50, 80, 150, 120 and 70. 1 unit. So in a graph sheet, in the y-axis column, how many units you can find? How many units you can find? Unit boxes. You can nearly find 20 units. Wait, you very good, Frozen Warrior. It is, you can find 20 units. Okay, here we have done only 5, right? So you can, no, don't take 50, Christo. Don't take 50. It will not look good. Since you have 20 units, so each unit you can take it as 10. 10 is the easiest because here the common multiple is 10. So take 10 as it. Okay, 2 or 10, it will be the easiest. So if you take 10, what is the highest here? 15, 150. So you need only 15 units. The graph looks good. The bigger unit you take, the graph look good. Okay, good boys. One more doubt. Eighth question in the worksheet. In the worksheet, eighth question. I'll take only 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes more. Okay, I have to go for Asar. So 5 minutes more. Student 5 or 10, it can be. Now, in eighth question in the worksheet, wait, beta, Mohammed Shihab. Here you always get disturbed. It is very easy to disturb you. Okay. Wait. I'm talking about a question. I'm discussing questions and you are wasting time. So eighth question, a very important. So draw a frequency polygon for the following dual data set. Class interval is given. Okay. Section A and section B. What will you do when two data are given? what will you do if dual data is given? Very simple, double polygon, very good, frozen. So you take class mark of the given classes and section A, you draw one polygon with pen, blue pen, and another one, section B polygon, you draw with black pen, or you draw with red color and green color. If you don't have different colors to differentiate, one graph you draw with line and another with dotted line. Understood? So yes, for this also, eighth one also, you can take 10 as the scale. Now ninth question, there is a histogram given. Everybody, I think you people are able to see it. What is the most frequent mark range? Can anybody tell me? Frequency is the number which you count, number of students. Number of students. This one is called as. Yes, frozen. That's good. So the most frequent mark range is 40 to 50. How many students scored between 20 to 30 marks? Do not write answers before itself. Students, listen. Yeah. How many students scored between 20 to 30? 15. Very good, very good, very good. What is the total number of students in the class? Number of students in the class, my dear students. Number of students. What will you do? Number of students. No, 25 is wrong. 25 is wrong. No. My dear friends, now wait. Everybody wait. Everybody wait. Okay, Christo got the nearest answer. Others got. I'll explain you how to find out number of students. Please wait. Everyone. Yes, thank you. Ariyar. So, Wala, please. Thank you. Wait. See, 0 to 10 marks. How many students got? 0 to 10 marks. 5 students. 10 to 20. Suppose let us say that I got 7 marks. Will I be counted in 10 to 20? No, no. So that means each set of marks are different. So 0 to 10, 5, it's 5, and 10 to 20, 15, that means 20, 20 plus 15, 35, 35 plus 20, 55, 55 plus 25, it is 80, 50 to 60, it is 12, 13, I think so. So 80 plus 3, 93, 93, so on. If I count up, it will be 99 or 100. Understood? Thank you, thank you. Not supposed to be here. You are not supposed to be here. Disturbing all the time. Okay? So you have to count all the sets. Good. Next, what is the next question? Identify the least frequent mark range. Come on, what is the least? What is the least mark range? Marks range. What is the least? Very good, Muhammad Zayan. 0 to 10 and 70 to 80. Because both of them got 5, 5. Ashret, don't get 10, 0 to 10 and 70 to 80. That's good answer. Vivek, good, good, good. Now, section D. Section D, everybody, the frequency polygon. How to read the frequency polygon? Can anybody tell me which section performed better overall? Is it section A or section B? How will you find out? How will you find out? Section A? No, he is asking overall. So you have to take the class marks, find the average, and you do it. For example, the class marks of section A, 2, 2 plus 12, 14. 14 plus 18, 32. 32 plus 13 is 45. And 45 plus 5 is 50. Section A, it is 50. Okay. And section B, what are the class marks? 5 and 11. 5 plus 11, 16. 16 plus 15, 31. 31 plus 12, 43. And 43 plus 7, 50. So both of them perform the same overall performance, it is the same. Understood? Is it clear? So it's equal draw. Yes. Understood? Yes, good. So when they ask you overall percentage, you have to do it. What is the score range with the highest difference in performance? Yeah, बैठ सकते हैं मेरे से. Give me 1 second, not 1 minute. Thank you, my dear students. Yeah. What was the next question? What is the score range with the highest difference in the performance? I hope you understood the one, right? So let us see. 0 to 10. Section A got 2 marks and section B got 5 marks. Is it right? So the difference is 3. And let us take 10 to 20. Section A got 12. That means the point is denoted with C. And section B got R. So that means it is 11. The difference is 1. Okay, first one is 3 and next one is 1. So let us see between 20 and 30. Section A got 18 and section B got 15. So that means it is 3. So both are equal, first and third. Section B is very less. Let us go to 40 and 50. It is 7 and 5, 2. So what is the score range with highest difference? 0 to 10 and 20 to 30. 0 to 10 and 10 to 30. Okay, 0 to 10 and nay, what is the score range means you have to write the scores, my dear friend. 0 Christo, 0 to 10 and 20 to 30. How many students scored above 30 in section A? Above 30. Above 30. 13 plus 5, 18 students. 13 plus 5, 18 students. Good, Ashrath. How many students scored below 20 in section B? Below 20. Where is section B? 11. And 11 plus 5, 16. Good, Frozen Warrior. Good. So, I hope you understood how to draw this histogram and how to draw frequency polygon. 11th question and 12th question. Okay. 11th question. What is the total number of students in the class? You add the frequency of all the classes. You add frequency of all the classes. 0 to 10, it is 5. 10 to 20, it is 10. Add 5 plus 10 plus 15, so on. Okay. See, I'll give you an interesting task. Everybody, whoever is here, and inform your students, and who is watching later also, please do it. I have sent you the worksheet, right? Interpret the histogram. You have interpret the histogram. So Ayan, this job will help you. Okay. Draw the table of it. By seeing the graph, draw the table and send me message. Draw the table. It is hard. Circles, I'll explain you. It is very easy. Yaar, not supposed to be here. You change the name, then it will be easy for you. You are supposed to be here. change. I am supposed to be here. Then it will be easy for you. What do you say? So now, see, wait. My dear students, I am diverting. Who asked me? Ayan, yes. Ayan, bete. And others, whoever is here or whoever is watching later. There is the question given, interpret the histogram in the worksheet. Draw the frequency distribution table for this and send it to me. Okay, Ayan, you will understand. Good boys. Good boys. Now, what is the other question? Identify the least frequent. Bacha Ayan, you draw this table and send it to me. You will understand everything. Okay. Good. Everyone. It is not only to Ayan. Ashrit, it is not only you. Everyone, try to send it. Okay. Anything else? From my side, it is over. So we have done with quadrilaterals and statistics. We have covered most of the part. And what is left out? Yeah, circles. Okay, I will take you. I'll take circles, but not today, yeah, because I had today I had duty and I came in the afternoon. I am taking your class and I have a little more work. Okay, others are also waiting. So I may not take today, but I'll take tomorrow. Okay. Meanwhile, please draw this. Okay. Please. Oh, sorry. Please practice quadrilaterals and the statistics. Statistics graphs. You please draw it. You just saw somebody drawing on the board. Okay, but you do it by yourself. Inshallah, you can do better in this examination. Okay, this is from my side. I'll take tomorrow morning here. Yes, 10:30. Is 10:30 fine? Hey, mashallah, thank you. Supposed to be here. Love you, yaar. Thank you. Uh, Important questions, bete. I'm explaining you important concepts. Don't never ask important questions because concepts are important. If you remember this concept, next year also 10th grade you can go. You can do it everything by yourself. Understood? No need to waste money for tuition or anything. You can ask your parents to save it for yourself. Okay, you learn the concept. I am teaching you concepts, my dear friend. Yeah, and theorems. Yeah, theorems. What do you have in quadrilateral? One is, what is that? In quadrilaterals, yeah, somebody remind me. In quadrilaterals, yeah, diagonal divides parallelogram into two congruent triangles, right? The diagonal divides quadrilateral into two congruent triangles. Yeah, you know that, simple. And midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem is there, but no proof. Okay, and I think I don't know. So, and another theorem: angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. Next is circle, quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals over circles. You have theorem. What are the theorems? Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center. Yeah, we became Buddha by doing this theorem so many times. So okay, it's very simple. I think even if you wake up at night, you should do it. So and the next one is, what is the next one? Circles theorem. Yeah, the angle subtended by any arc or chord at the center is double the angle subtended at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Yes, good, Christo, mashallah, good boy. So these are very easy. We have done it so many times. Is there cylinder, sir? Beta, without learning cylinder, how can you learn cone? So it's like this question is like somebody asking whoever is writing grade one, sir, will ABCD come for exams? Yeah, they will come here. They'll come. They will know. Without ABCD, you cannot write grade one. So you should have that concept. That is why I told you, my dear friend, uh, you have to learn the concepts. Okay, good, mashallah, good. No, don't laugh on others, Ashray. They will return you with another emoji. So don't do it. Now, cyclic quadrilaterals, yes, every all theorems you have, but proofs you have only two. uh, Out of that, okay, one will come, only one. So take care. Anything else, my dear friends? Take care. Bye bye. Circles I will explain you tomorrow by 10:30. Okay. Bye bye. Should I? What is that? Okay, I know Ashrat, but I'm afraid that they will also return you with a emoji. So that you may feel bad. That's the reason I tell you. I told you. Sorry. And what I was telling, yeah, the same sentence by all YouTubers. What is that? Uh, like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Acha, तुम लोग लिखो. Bye bye. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment also. Acha, comments. Yeah, no need of comments. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye. Tomorrow morning 10:30. Tomorrow morning 10:30. Yeah. Thank you, my dear friend. Same to you. Bye. And